below. A little car goes up so high, then turns around. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It looks again, hip hip hooray. Now we wrote a bee today. A bouncy ball rolls up and down. It jumps around and spins around. It makes two bumps, oh can you see? Look, we wrote the letter B. B, B, let's write B. One straight line and curve so free. Up, up, around and one more go. Letter B is here, hello. A tiny snail moves slow, slow, slow. Crawls up the line, then curves to go. One more curve and now we see a great big letter B. A fluffy cat with little paws scratches lines, no time to pause. One goes up, two bumps we see. Meow, meow, it's letter B.